guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about periods and some solutions that I have found to help us ladies, to help our periods, really. Like, the time of the month where anti-flow comes and blesses us with some crimson red rain showers, whatever. Yeah, I'm going to be talking about periods today, and I'm going to be sharing some solutions for you to, save some coins. Basically, like, save some coins, sis. Save some coins. So these are 4 bags of Modibodi period pants. I'm just going to cover my size because I don't really want my size out there. So these are the Modibodi period pants, which I will be talking about in this video. I've been hearing about Modibodi period pants for quite a while, and I thought I would check them out and know what these period pants are all about. So I was really intrigued with the pants. So basically, the pants look like this. So this is the same free full brief in the heavy / overnight absorbency. It comes with this like protective sticker for sanitation and hygiene, and also it comes in, I think it comes in different colors. You could have it in black or tan or even blue. It comes in different colors, but I went for the black. So basically what this pant is that you have your periods on it. You don't need to wear tampons or sanitary towels or pads and all of that. You just flow in these pants. Like, you let anti-flow flow into this pants. You have your periods in this pants. Now the brand claims to be leak proof, so I'm really interested in knowing if this pants is leak proof. Now I haven't tried these pants yet because I haven't had my period yet, but obviously I'm going to share a more detailed review video about my experience with the Modibodi pants in another video. But for this video, I just wanted to unbox, the Modibodi so that you guys could check it out and know if this is something that you would want to invest in. It says Modibodi was made so that everybody can go with a different flow. So they've got different flows. They've got the moisture wicking flow. And I think that's for moisture droplets. I'm not sure if that's for sweat or something. So they've got the super light absorbency. So if your period is really super light, it can take 2.5 ml, which is half a tampon or half teaspoon of blood. They've also got another one that is the light to moderate absorbency. This is equivalent to 1 to 1.5 tampons or 1 to 2 teaspoons of blood. They've got the moderate to heavy absorbency, and this can take 15 ml of blood, which is equal to 1.5 to 2 tampons or 2 teaspoons. And then they've got the heavy / overnight absorbency. That's this one that I have, and this can take 15 to 20 ml of blood, which is equal to 2 tampons or 3 teaspoons of blood. So yeah, if you've got a heavy flow, you would want to go for the moderate to heavy pants or the heavy / overnight pants, because I really want to know if this is going to be the solution to all my problems. I really like the fact that these pants are reusable. All you need to do is rinse it thoroughly under the water, like maybe warm water. You could just rinse rinse it under cold water. Yeah, you have to rinse it under cold water because we're not about to cook some blood here in our pants. Yeah, so rinse it under cold water till the water runs clear, and then you could wash it, maybe hand wash, or you could pop it in a washing machine. So it says you can rinse in cold water after each use. Do not soak, just rinse until the water runs clear, and then you could cold wash on delicate cycle, that's in the washing machine. In a delicate bag is even better. So if you've got a delicate bag, pop your pants in and then cold wash it on the delicate cycle. And then you could, it says hang dry in the sun and obviously reuse and repeat. But you must not hold the fabric softener. So do not even don't go near a fabric softener. Do not use a fabric softener to wash your pants, because this breaks down the natural fibers of the pants. I feel like this would be like a really brilliant pants to use. It's really cost effective. Like, they kindly sent me one to try, but you know, I really liked the idea of the pants, so I went ahead and bought 3 extra absorbencies. So I got one in the light to moderate absorbency, so that this one I would use for like maybe the beginning of my period or towards the end of my period when my flow is really light to moderate. So I could use this one. And then I also got the heavy / overnight absorbency. I was really happy that they had my size, because at some point they had run out of my size, but they restocked and they emailed me that they had restocked, and so I got 2 of the heavy / overnight absorbency. So yeah, I'm really excited about it, and I cannot wait to have my period. If it actually works on me, I will definitely share like a more detailed review with you guys about my whole experience with it, and if I had any leakages or if I did not. It would be a shame if I have leakages, but you know what, I've heard some really good reviews about the pants. That is even why I went ahead and bought extras, because darling, I would love to save some coins. I've spent like all my adult life, or my, you know, period life, buying pads, you know, so it would be nice to have a relief from that. So another thing it says is, at Modibodi, we welcome periods, lady leaks, sweat, discharge, because we take care of them for you. Okay, our leak-proof underwear, swimwear, activewear and maternity wear will keep you feeling dry and secure. That's brilliant. I'm actually really surprised that these big brands haven't actually thought about these sort of thing. Modibodi uses high quality natural fabrics and breathable, tech-savvy outer fabrics, including bamboo, merino wool and microfiber for a soft, silky fit. Our patented fabric technologies are super slim, only 3mm thick. It's hard to believe they can hold up to 20 ml of fluid or 2 tampons worth. We bring the comfiness so you can bring it. Yes! So I'm really happy that, you know, that in my period life, in this generation, we've got this sort of thing to like revolutionize periods. And you know, to me this is brilliant. This is like the way forward for periods, and I'm really excited about this. So yeah, and I will share more detailed review later about how I got on with these pants. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about period pants. Are they the way forward? Is this something that you would want to invest in? Do you think you prefer reusable items for your periods, or do you prefer tampons and pads for your periods?